Here's little Javen. He's at Hogan. We're at Hogan. And he is a tight walker. Woo! Javen, you be careful now. You know how to be careful. Little shorty. There you go. Come on, look here. He's good. He's a sure-footed little boy.
You what? You better pay attention to where you're going. You're gonna fall. Told you. You gonna sit down? You gonna sit down? Okay. You gonna sit down?
Where the heck are you going? Yeah, that's not a good place to sit.
That's called a guardrail. Don't like the guardrail? You like the little
There he goes
retaining
again. He likes to walk along there. He's going to be a gymnast when he grows up. Right, Shorty? Yeah. Yeah. Look, your grandma. Hi, honey.
Hi, Johnny.
He's got to concentrate. All right, nice job, little boy. Hey, can you look up at the camera and say nice job? See, Shorty, look up here with Grandma. Oh, stop. Now he's racing along like a little nitwit on the edge. Well, Annie took a dive, but he's all right.
There you go. Go again.
Got to get up. Get back up.
See, you got to be careful.
Yeah.
That's what happened. You better look down where you're going.
Yep. Jordy learned his
Fall down
lesson.
again.
And there he goes.